I like drinking coffee. I need to buy food. I want to sleep early. I want to eat now. I like working from home. I like reading books. I want to learn English. I need to wake up early. I want to drink water. I need to finish work. I like morning walks. I want to feel relaxed. I need to call my friend. I like hot tea. I want to cook dinner. I need to clean room. I like fresh air. I want to go outside. I need to save money. I like quiet mornings. I want to rest today. I need to charge phone. I like sunny days. I want to travel soon. I need to buy fruits. I like cold weather. I want to study more. I need to focus better. I like simple food. I want to be calm. I need to organize desk. I like talking kindly. I want to feel happy. I need to plan ahead. I like learning daily. I want to improve skills. I need to drink water. I like helping others. I want to stay healthy. I need to exercise daily. I like peaceful nights. I want to wake early. I need to finish homework. I like spending time alone. I want to relax now. I need to prepare lunch. I like clean spaces. I want to stay positive. I need to manage time. I like gentle routines. I want to grow daily. I need to stay focused. I like warm meals. I want to feel confident. I need to check messages. I like calm evenings. I want to be productive. I need to rest well. I like daily habits. I want to stay organized. I need to try harder. I like simple life. I want to feel better. I need to stay active.